Marketing and advertising can be complicated. What's most important?
What should I focus on?
Direct marketing?
Email campaigns?
Social media?
Cold calling?
With Marketing Atlas, you'll have a clear guide to get more leads, close more sales, and take your business to the next level. Welcome to Marketing Atlas.
Marketing Atlas.
Marketing Atlas.
With your host, Hernan Vazquez.
What is going on, everybody? The topic for the day is how to advertise your business on Facebook, on Instagram effectively. In other words, how to make your campaigns that you're running on Facebook or Instagram work a lot better. What's up, everybody? I just recorded a new class. It will show you exactly my steps so that you can actually take your Facebook and Instagram ads to the next level. All you need to do is go to Advertising Class 2020, and Advertising Class 2020 is completely free. All you need to do is to leave me your name and email so that I can send you the class. It's on demand. You don't need to wait 10 minutes, 2 hours. Tomorrow afternoon, you can watch it right now, and it will show you how to make your Facebook ads and Instagram ads work better. So I hope that you enjoy it. Now, the first thing that I want you guys to understand is how the game has changed for Facebook ads and Instagram ads over the past couple of years, okay? This is what we used to do when we were starting out. When we were starting out, we would have an ad, we would have a Facebook or Instagram ad, and then we would have an opt-in offering some sort of free PDF, free stuff, free webinar, free whatever, and then we would have an offer. And then if people wouldn't buy, we would just like bombard them with 1,000 emails. This was the modus operandi, if you would, of most of marketers that I know. But I had the honor and the pleasure of working with a lot of high-level, top-tier marketers and people that are thought leaders in the space. And I did the math, and last year I spent $7 million in advertising. And I want to share with you guys how this has changed from what we were doing here to what we're doing right now, okay? If you have any comments, feel free to post them on the comment section. You know, I'll be more than happy to help you guys out to answer all of your questions. Okay, cool. So now we have 3 stages of every Facebook campaign that I launch from now on, or for the past, I would say 6 to 7 months. This has been the best way to go by far. This has been the way that we are having the greatest results. So there's 3 stages that you want to have in mind in any of your advertising campaigns, specifically if you're running ads on Facebook and Instagram. Stage number 1, it's the stage that we call awareness, okay? So this stage right here, the awareness stage, is where what we're doing is we're putting out good, valuable content. So let's say that you're a gym owner, that you need more people coming through the door. You need more students, or you own, a dojo, a martial arts school, a MMA school, or maybe you need more leads for your webinar funnel, or you need more leads for your application funnel, whatever that is, right? The first thing that you always need to have in mind is that the vast majority of people do not know who you are. They haven't heard about you. They're not even aware of your existence, okay? And that happens to all of us. Even if you have been advertising for the past 20 years, there will be people that do not know who you are, and new people are coming in the marketplace every year, okay? So this is also known as cold traffic. Again, they do not know who you are. So with the awareness stage, what you're doing is basically put really high quality content, and we put it out there, and we use the targeting capabilities of Facebook and Instagram to actually get people to know us and be aware of our business. So then we move into the next stage, stage number 2, which is engagement, okay? The engagement stage is where people are really engaged with what you have to offer, or they have engaged and now they are aware. Now, by engagement, I mean you put out more quality content, you put out additional quality content that will help you and will help people achieving their desired state, right? So you put out more videos, you put out maybe more images and all of that will allow people to go from stage 1 to stage 2, from awareness to engagement, right? And this is also considered warm traffic. Cold traffic number 1 warm traffic number 2. So here, you're trying to make people aware that you exist. Here, you're trying to get people to engage. And number 3 is where the rubber hit the road. Hey, this is Hernan Vazquez, and I know that if you're running Facebook ads, it can get complicated. Facebook changes stuff every week. Techniques are being updated, strategies are being updated, and some people are just not getting the results that they want. So what I wanted to do is to condense several years of experience and millions of dollars in advertising in one simple guidebook that you can get, that you can pull out whenever you're running your Facebook ads so that you can have a template that you can use. So if you're interested in getting a copy, go to adsguide2020.com. That is adsguide2020.com. Download your copy. Hope you enjoy it. Now, number 3, this is the offer stage, okay? This is where most marketers and entrepreneurs will focus, only on the offer stage. Now, there's nothing wrong with this. This is where you make your money and where you get your leads. But there's a problem with Facebook and Instagram is that you will harvest all of the low-hanging fruit for your audiences, and then you will stop having results. This might happen to you in the past, that maybe you launch a campaign and it works for a couple of days and then it stops working. This is what happens. You are going for the kill. Again, you can do this, but there's only so many people that need your product right now. This is why this is considered hot traffic, because they know that they have a problem, they are aware that you exist, and they want to solve it right now. They're just shopping for an option, right? So what happens is that you want to go ahead and offer them an offer, right? Present them with an offer. That could be a conversion ad. It could be something for them to opt in for free, or your webinar, or your e-commerce product, or again, download this coupon and get free dessert on your next visit. So that's where the offer comes to play. But what happens is that this is people that are ready to and willing to buy right now. While here, you're building all of these folks that are going to go into your offer, let's say 3 to 6 months from now. Okay? So these are the 3 stages that you want to have in mind when you're trying to get people to buy your products. And this is the new way of doing things. And now here on the offer, you can send them to an opt-in, and et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. You can send them to an opt-in or to a webinar and whatnot. But the quality of your list, the quality of the people that you will be doing business with is much higher than if you were just going for the kill with the offer, okay? So I hope this makes sense. Again, I explain much more in detail all of this in the Advertising Class 2020. So if you go to advertisingclass2020.com, you will be able to get access to this free training that I just put together. I sent it to my list. People loved it, and I hope that you love it too. All right, guys, thank you for joining. Thank you for hanging out with me for a little bit. I hope that this is helpful. If it is, go ahead and share it. Go ahead and comment below. Let me know your questions, and I'll see you guys really, really soon on the next video. Bye-bye.